Welcome to Industry Today, the media platform of choice for leaders and influencers in manufacturing and industry. Established in 1998 as a print magazine, Industry Today evolved into a digital magazine and comprehensive media platform, a primary source for world-class journalism and professional opinions on current trends and issues, on topics encompassing new technologies, the economy, global competition, and talent retention. It's the news of the day combined with thoughts about what that news means to businesses and the people who lead them. Google News and SEO Compliant, Industry Today creates bespoke media campaigns that target key decision makers and buyers to achieve your marketing and promotional goals. We offer a variety of channels to reach the right audience for our partners, including traditional banner ads, customized email promotions, a cost-effective communications channel sent to our entire list or to an industry-specific list, and a variety of sponsored content, including articles, case studies, ebooks, industrial research, podcasts, videos, and white papers. Industry Today maintains a presence on all social media: Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, and Google+. Our audience is your target audience. Industry Today helps you reach them, promote your brand, launch your products and services, extend your influence, cost-effectively, conveniently customized. With a range of media options to raise your profile, with measurable ROI, that assures success. If you're in industry, you need Industry Today.